So I get a lot of questions all the time of what's the difference between renovating and remodeling. So when you hear the term renovating, this is what it means in its simplicity. So renovating is when you're updating or you're upgrading a space in your home or a room in your home, an area in your home, but you're keeping the original purpose. So you purchased this home 30, 40, 50 years ago and it's outdated. So you're going to take that room and you're going to update it by putting new paint. You're going to put new updated ceiling fans, and you're going to take the carpet out and you're going to put LVP flooring in it, so on and so forth like that. You're enhancing the room for what it is. You're not changing the room to anything other than what its original purpose is. That's renovation. So remodeling is when you're changing the whole function of that room or that area. So you are repurposing that room from its original intent. So again, when you hear the word renovation, you now understand that it's just enhancing that area or that room. You're not changing the original design. When you hear the word remodel or remodeling, you're changing the whole original intent of that area or that room from what it was from the beginning. My name is Michelle Capers, and I'm with Giving Tree Realty.